Shri Gurabhyo Namaha. Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the epic Ramayana. The epic Ramayana had 7 kandas. Yesterday I told the first kanda, Balakanda. Today I am going to tell the second kanda, Ayodhya kanda. People of Ayodhya rejoiced. Dasharatha's happiness knew no bounds. There was celebration everywhere. Dasharatha and his wives rejoiced the glories of Rama. Dasharatha felt that it was the right time for him to retire and to declare and crown Rama as the successor king. Preparations and arrangements were being made for the coronation ceremony. But in the private quarters of the place, Rama's stepmother, Kaikeyi, was provoked and polluted by the ill counsel of her maid Manthara, who for some reason wanted to take revenge on Rama. Misguided by Manthara, she chose to ask for the 2 bones that were once promised to her by Dasharatha, who was emotionally pleased with her when she had helped him on the battlefield during one of the wars he had fought in the past. As one of the bonds, she asked Dasharatha to crown her own son Bharata as the king of Ayodhya in the place of Rama, and for the second born, she said Rama must go on exile to forest for 14 long years. Dasharatha was heartbroken. He pleaded with Kaikeyi to change her mind, but they seemed fallen deaf ears. She remained obstinate. She drove Dasharatha to the precipice of death. Rama, having come to hear about this, vowed to fulfill his father's promise made to his stepmother. Without wasting any time, he prepared to leave for the forest. Clad in simple clothes and accompanied by his wife Sita and his brother Lakshmana, he left the kingdom and proceeded towards the forest. Unable to bear the sorrow, the grief-stricken Dasharatha died. Bharata, who was away when this incident occurred, and on his return was very angry with his mother Kaikeyi. He reached the forest and pleased with Rama to return to Ayodhya. He said he was ashamed of his mother's conduct. But Rama refused. In the end, Bharata reluctantly agreed to act as the caretaker of the kingdom. He asked for the Padukas of Rama, declaring that he would place the Padukas on the throne, respecting Rama. He also said that he would immolate himself if Rama delayed his return from exile even by one day. He then left the Ayodhya. This is the Ayodhya Kanda. Thank you for watching.